Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Excited to have you again on this series. So we've gone through that's the basic or the most basic concepts of Laravel. So I'll take a recap of it. If your user comes to the browser and, for example, types a particular URL, for example, let's say about, what happens? How does this happen? So once he types the text about, the first thing is, or not really the first thing, but the first thing we're looking at this tutorial is the Laravel will come to web.php and look, is there any URI that matches about? Yes, there's a GET request that matches about. Now, if there's a GET request, what happens? It has to go to the pages controller. Remember, all our controllers are stored inside app HTTP controllers. So it says, okay, a user is trying to have access the about page using the GET request, and for me to be able to process the request, I need to go to the pages controller and look for the show about page method. So there's a method called show about page. So if you come to app HTTP controllers, there's a controller called pages controller. Now if we open that our controller, we will see that we have a method called show about page. Remember, this show about page here says, okay, there's a method called show about page, right? Show about page. Now the show about page method says, okay, yeah, I recognize this request and I want you to render a view called about. So views are basically the visual representation of what the user is going to see, and all views are found inside resources views folder. The user says, the Laravel says, okay, I want you to render a view called about, which is found inside resources views. So if we open about here, we're going to see this. So basically, from the route to the controller to the method and to the view. So that is going to be your ultimate direction, your ultimate route, from the route, the controller method to the view. So that is going to be your holy grail. Yeah. So okay, yeah. So on this episode, we're going to look at putting links on your page. So we're going to look quickly into, for example, if you see the Laravel homepage, it has links that takes you to external pages mostly. But then we want that if we want to put various links, such that if there's a link says contact us, about us, profile me. The main essence of this is we want to test what we call named routing. We want to test what we call named routing. So we'll go straight into the welcome.blade.php. So welcome.blade.php is what displays this. We might not need all of this. We'll just remove it all. So we'll open our HTML. Sorry, HTML5. So we'll say welcome to, oops, sorry, H1. So we'll save this and we'll refresh. So we'll say, hey, welcome to Learn Laravel the easy way. So we need like one, two, three, four links or three links. Yeah. Okay. So we have the links quickly, UL, LI. So we have the first link that says contact us, about us, and my profile. According to our request here, it says contact us is a link. Here we copy this, we come and we paste it here. There's another link that says about. Yep, we paste it here. And then there's a link says profile me, and we paste it here. So if we save all of this and we refresh the browser, we will see that we have three links: contact us, about us, and profile me. So if we click on contact us, here we have a contact us page. We'll take back, we say about us, we have about us page, and if we click my profile, we have my profile page. So if you can see, the URL is changing based on what I click, and this is based on what I put in the href. If you're still not familiar with HTML and links, please maybe you check out a course on this, because this course doesn't really cover it all. It doesn't cover everything about HTML. It's more about Laravel. So at this point, we have our various links. The next episode, we're going to talk about changing these links into route names, and we'll see why we have to change it to route names.